Hi mathematicians! Now we're going to start working on subtracting decimal numbers. So our learning goal now for Thursday and Friday is I can subtract decimal numbers using place value strategies. So before we get into that, let's work a little bit on renaming some numbers because that's going to help us in our subtraction. 76 and 358 thousandths equals how many tens and how many thousands? It equals 7 tens and how many thousandths? It equals 6,358 thousandths. Now, what's another way I can write this number? Well, I can also write it 763 tenths and how many thousandths? What do you think? If you said 58, you're right. And 58 thousandths. Now, how many hundredths do I have? I would have 7,635 hundredths and 8 thousandths. All right, I hope you're still with me. Now, 3 tenths plus 2 tenths equals what? Well, I can write it like this. What does that equal? 5 tenths. 5 hundredths plus 4 hundredths. Equals 9 hundredths. Now, what about 35 hundredths plus 4 hundredths? 35 hundredths. Oops. Let's start over. What does that equal? 39 hundredths. Okay, now we're going to play with this tenths a little bit. What is 1 tenth less than 5 tenths? 4 tenths. If I have 5 hundredths, 1 less is 4 hundredths. If I have 5 thousandths, 1 less is 4 thousandths. Now, if I have this number, 0.029, which is 29 thousandths, what is 1 thousandth less? 1 less thousandth is 0.28. What is 1 tenth less than 61 hundredths? 1 tenth less than 61 hundredths is 51 hundredths. How about if I have 61 thousandths, what's 1 thousandth less than that? Would be 60 thousandths or 6 hundredths. What is 1 hundredth less than 549 thousandths? is 539 thousandths. Okay, now we're going to take a little application problem here. At the London Olympics, Michael Phelps won the gold medal in the men's 100-meter butterfly. That's a type of swimming stroke if you don't know. He's not flying around in the air. He swam the first 50 meters in 26 9600 seconds. The second 50 meters took him 25 3900 seconds. What was his total time? So, I'm going to draw a bar model to help me add these. The first 50 meters was 26 9600 seconds. And the second 50 meters was a little faster at 25 3900 seconds. What is his total altogether? So what am I going to do? I'm going to add 26 9600 plus 25 3900. 6 plus 9 is 15. Regroup. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. Regroup again. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus 5 is 12. Regroup again. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. And I need to put my decimal in the middle because that's where it was when I started lining up my add-ins, the numbers in my addition problem. So, the total time is 52 3500 seconds. Okay, short and sweet lesson today. Now go make sure you're starting lesson 10 on Zearn.